So there is happening here a heavy traffic. I think there is an accident happening.
No, it's traffic lights, so it'd be
Is it
roadworks.
Roadworks. So the cars in the queue are in the queue, and it's moving now. There's a crane over there. Can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
You can see
maybe,
the traffic lights. Look.
yeah. So maybe cutting some trees. Yeah, we'll see it when this car moves. Ooh. Because the trees are growing quickly. Look at the branches.
Stop there, so in a queue, look, they've even blocked the road so the man can't get across the road. Now another one can't go.
Yeah. So look at the barley. Those green ones are barley. So in the what time they will go ready for harvesting?
July, August.
July, August. What they use barley for?
Well, there's all sorts of things. You get malted barley for alcohol. You get barley that they
So they use for beer.
not just for beer and animal feed. Some
Okay.
kinds
Look
of
at that. Good. So they are fixing light. Look. Look at the light swinging around the post. And they put the traffic light here. So we thought it's an accident, but it's not. They are changing the post. Also this side they are in queue. Okay. That's good then. Miles an hour. See the field? I don't know what's planted there. It looks like a radish or cabbage. This area is Lincolnshire. Yeah. Mostly the products here are cabbages, cauliflower, broccoli, kale, and look at these yellow flowers. They are called, what do you call it? Rapeseed, used for cooking oil.
And there's also grow in this area too.
Yeah.
Daffodils.
Daffodils. There's tulips, all kinds of spring flowers. Look at that. This is a tree that is also have
There's
in
a queue going this way. It's even worse, Mercy.
the queue.
Queue, but look.
Look at that. Nice. There's also shell. Clematis. So they say clematis you cut back, but that one